Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I am coming to you with an open invite to a collab, challenge. I am teaming up with my sister, my girl, Kenya, over at Kenya's Décor Corner. We are co-hosting the Fall Tablescape Challenge. Now the details to this challenge, they're very simple. This is an open invitation challenge. We just simply want you to put together your tablescape for the fall, but there is one twist. Well, if you know Kenya and you know me well, you know we always throw in a twist, and that twist is to do a fall DIY for your tablescape. Now I'm going to look down also to make sure I have everything correct. With this challenge, we want you to hashtag this video in your information section, hashtag Fall Tablescape Challenge. We also want you to put this in your information section, your description section, and on all social media sites that you have. Now the upload date for this challenge will be September 29, 2018, which is a Saturday morning at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time or later. Please do not upload your videos prior to that time. We want to flood YouTube with our challenge, all right? And lastly, let's have some fun. I know when I participate in challenges, the work part of it, I enjoy doing. I love putting tablescapes together, and I also enjoy watching the playlist, all right? With that playlist too, again, when you hashtag the Fall Tablescape Challenge, this will automatically put your video on a playlist. It will be easy to find. But I'm old school too, so I will also have a link to a playlist in my description box where you will be able to add your own video to the playlist, okay? So we'll have it both ways for all of the participants. Let's spread the word about this challenge. You know, like we hear in church, tell your neighbor, tell your friend. Tell everyone about this challenge, okay? Spread the word to YouTubers to join in the fun. But again, we just want you to have fun. So I am looking forward to this challenge and seeing all of the beautiful inspiration of these fall tablescapes. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.